Guys, welcome to Lems Gadget Zone. May nag-avail sa atin na external hard drive for PS2 and memory card na si Sir Moise. So si Sir is foreigner, no? So magi-English tayo ngayon guys para maintindihan ni Sir kung paano i-set up yung inabil niya sa ating PS2 external hard drive and memory card. So Sir, the memory card sir or the pre-Mac boot, you will insert here on the memory card slot 1. Okay sir, you must put it here, and the external hard drive, you must put it here on the USB slot of your PS2. Okay, so let's put it here. Just like the sir, the picture you send me of your PS2 unit sir, just like this one. So we will power on the unit sir. So after you power on the unit sir, it will boot up in a pre-Mac boot, and then the games will flash or popping out. So you must press X to back, then press R1 button or L1 button to transfer to other pages of the games. Okay, so sir, this is the one you requested sir, the PES 2024 or Pro Evolution Soccer 2024. Then you must select it, press circle to run. Okay, so this is the game you requested sir. So just wait for it to load. Then select this one, the NTSC, press X, then press start button, then press X to initialize. Okay, so here it is sir, eFootball. Okay sir, so eFootball 2024. So we will test the game sir. Okay, match. So we can test it and try to play the game. Okay, it's loading now sir. Yeah, here it is sir, fully working. Okay sir, so I just wait for the Lalamove rider sir and have it pick up. So thank you sir.